Paramount Pictures found us. Like, how insane is that, you know? But yeah, we're officially Hollywood. Someone's hand went through here. We had to punch it so we can get out of the car. All right, we have another one of Andy's vehicles over here. This one is gonna be big transformation. It's been faded, not taken care of. That's gonna blunder.
Usually by the time we're done unwrapping the car, you usually don't have any like fingerprints left.
Yeah, no, for real.
Yeah.
The factory paint has all the fisheye dimples. Look at this. That's all over the paint. Tell Chrysler and Dodge to do better, bro. Look at this. Bro, right now the platform that everybody's really playing around with are these RS3s and like the M240s. Another one of Andy's vehicles over here. This one is gonna be big transformation. As you can see, majority of it's already unwrapped. It was in the satin black finish. It's been faded, not taken care of. You can kind of see it here. But yeah, it's completely just shot. It doesn't look good at all. You have a beautiful Benz, and when you have paint or wrap that looks like shit, your car looks old and everything just looks bad. You know what I mean?
Say, how hard is this car compared to the last couple?
Honestly, all of his cars are hard, sadly, but it is what it is. This one has some bodywork we're gonna fix. You can see the quarter panel's dented in. Paint's actually missing on the body line, so we're gonna have to repair that. Repaint this outer guard as well for the wheel. Taken off hood, and the trunk I think is left. Even all this, she had this pink like pinstriping that's everywhere. That's all being removed. We're gonna be, it was pink. Yeah, it was actually pink. Yeah, it's a ghost car. Wheels are getting powder coated again, so all the curb rash is gonna be fixed. New tires we're putting on it. The center caps, we're gonna put our gloss black version. So it's all black with the chrome Benz logo itself, because this looks horrible. The silver in this, like, I don't know why, like, again, when someone's powder coating, they should have these ready to go, because you don't wanna put that on and just, it's so awry on the wheels. Like, you go from a silver wheel to black, you should have at least painted that, or, you know, gotten the black and silver, black and chrome kind of look. But a lot of the customers don't know this. The front bumper had a lot of damage and this flare, but the wrap kind of saved it. Yeah, saved majority of it, but you can see the excess is left here. Some of the paint came off here, so we're gonna have to paint this bumper and blend it in. It's actually been painted before, which, yeah, I can see it's been painted before. This is exactly what we say when we say PPF your car. So if you look at this, all this is not just the rock chips, it's the sand pitting that we always talk about. So those tiny, tiny dots, it makes it almost turn gray. And if you know, you look at this without any imperfections in the actual clear coat, like obviously it's scratched, but I'm saying the actual dents and the sand pitting, look at the difference here and how texturized this is, and the headlights. These are top reasons for you to always PPF at least your front end, which is your main impacting, like obviously, yeah, that, you know, sometimes depending on how wide the car is, your rear quarters or back bumper, right? But yeah, so we're gonna restore this thing top to bottom. We're gonna be detailing it, get this thing looking right. The interior is all dirty. The other side has salt stains in it. It's a smoker's car if I'm not mistaken. So we'll get the deodorize going in this. Stay tuned for this. It's gonna be a big project.
Vacuum out the kids' seats and load them up in the trunk. Yeah, the mat, because I'm gonna do one final vacuum just to make sure.
Where's the ketchup stain now?
Exactly.
Wait, how heavy do you think it is? This isn't, what, 20 pounds more?
At least like 20. Never looked the car seat this heavy. Give me everything you have, right?
Yo, that's what Ethan and Josh are rolling with.
Yeah, you could just put all of this stuff in the trunk, put the car seats and stuff in the trunk, because I got to take all the covers off and wash them. They're like just disgusting, bro. These kids, boys.
I didn't realize how much of a hassle.
Oh yeah, one gallon. See, kids crumbs are on it. 1 gallon, bro.
Me and we're in your office as they're shooting. They were stamping. I was like, guys, gotta be quiet. I was like, guys, you gotta be quiet. And Ethan or Josh looks at me, he's like.
So 3-year-olds, you tell them something, they always say terrible twos, but yo, the 3s are serious, bro. They actually will do what you're telling them not to do even more. But they're so damn cute, bro. What are you gonna do? They give you that little puppy eye look and it's like, ah, man. You give them like, I'm gonna give you a spank. Did you see how many people were running around here? There was like 300 people here alone. Yeah. The entire set, there was probably 1,500. between the church had about 100 trailers, okay? The Haven place, the whole entire thing, yeah, on, that's not Wickman, what's that street called? Ford House. So Ford House where the IKEA is, there's another maybe like 60 plus trailers, and each one of them are massive trailers with like crazy One's for makeup, one's for, bro, I don't even know. One's for like a massage, like stretching them out, bro. It's crazy. Like, I've never seen something like that until that day. And bro, I'm telling you, Hollywood is no joke, bro. Like, this is Hollywood. This was Hollywood. This is not no Canadian production. The one girl that was there, she was telling me that how those productions are like maybe 5 times bigger than this for just like little scenes. So it's crazy what it went into, like every little thing, bro. They had food in one location, like the wardrobe was in another building. They had at least, I think, 20 or 30 buildings that were locked off just for that day for these 2 scenes, bro. One was a car being flipped over, and then obviously the scene that they shot here at the shop. They airbrushed me, makeup me, bro, they did it. But she's like, yo, your hair is perfect, your skin's perfect, you don't have to touch your face. I was like, yeah, I'll take care of my you know what I'm saying? The 2 girls were taking pictures of my hair. They're like, I need to do this for my next set. And they were just like excited with the hair. Yeah, I'm like, yo, you guys should call my barber, eh? Next up, AR, call him for all your shoots. He'll come and cut you guys. But it's crazy, bro. The production was nuts, absolutely insane. And what an honor to be able to, you know, do that and like, yeah, bro, it was nuts, man. You think about it, it's what we worked for this whole time, and like, you know, the fruits of our labor is, yeah, they found us, you know, we didn't have to go looking for any of this. They found us on Instagram, like Paramount Pictures found us. Like, how insane is that, you know? But yeah, we're officially Hollywood.
Can I get you to introduce yourself?
All right, so I'm Zarif. I'm just here for co-op, and yeah.
You're the only co-op here right now.
Basically, yeah.
There's 2 other co-ops.
But no one showed up, just me.
Yeah,
So
you're the hard worker. So you're removing the wrap, right?
yeah, basically, just gotta take this off. We only have the trunk and the hood.
For the hood, just start the car and leave it running. The engine will heat up the
You know,
Oh yeah.
it'll be easier to peel off. Man's getting bond there.
Usually by the time we're done unwrapping the car, you usually don't have any like fingerprints left.
Yeah, no, for real.
Yeah. Hella ashy too.
Yeah. That's why I wash my hands. Like a whole car, yeah.
It's fun.
It's fun.
It gets so tedious though in some spots.
Yeah, some spots are a little difficult, but
Remember the Maserati I did?
Yeah.
So you'll imagine unwrapping, I unwrapped the hood and the roof of the car. You know how this wrap is coming off all in one piece? That roof was, the wrap was coming off in little slivers like the size of your fingernail. It took me almost like 9 hours to just unwrap the hood and the roof.
yeah?
Yeah.
Damn, 9 hours?
Yeah, and you're taking off tiny little pieces. It was so fucking annoying.
Yeah, taking off just tiny little pieces and takes
Yeah.
an hour, yeah. Better just take off
They're
a
like the
whole
size of your
thing.
nail. Because the wrap was so
shit.
faded and old.
Oh, so it took their time.
Porsche was easy, bro. Me and Nero unwrapped that like in 20 minutes.
Oh shit.
So you just left out in the sun?
Yeah, it was parked outside in the sun.
Oh.
He's got a step.
He's standing on the tire.
He's standing on the time.
Honestly, I was too lazy to go grab a second one. Here, let me heat this whole thing up and I'm gonna fucking pull it in one second.
Boom.
No, you just a little bit still.
I did? Oh my, okay. That's just a little thing. Just a little something. Make this though. Ooh. This one hurts right now. My hands are not that bad. Oh, just a little something, Hard working.
It looks like they wrapped it and maybe put clear coat on top.
Look at the factory paint has all the fisheye dimples. Look at this.
Bro, it's everywhere.
Brand new.
Sides.
The truck is brand new. Look at that. See that?
Oh yeah.
But that's all over the paint. There's fisheye and dust everywhere in the paint. Look at this. I gotta show Alex this. Look at this. Dust everywhere.
You do this before every car, like you
I have to, because imagine, look, another big fisheye. Yeah, I have to, because if we're, especially that we're doing, bro, look at even this, okay? Perfect example. Look at the orange peel here.
Yeah.
Do you see that right at the top?
Hard to see it on camera, right?
But like all the top, it's rough
Oh
and
no,
then
now,
smooth.
yeah, now I can see it.
Alex, tell Chrysler and Dodge to do better, bro. Full body PPF. Now when we go do the PPF, our PPF looks fire, especially when we tuck it over and stuff. And then imagine now you have all this like paint nibs and dust everywhere. And you're like, oh, you have dust under the PPF. No, it's not the case. I have seen it on Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches. My Porsche had imperfections in it. Chrysler, Honda, every brand has their own imperfections. Now Tesla's one of the worst, but again, we have to do our thing. Look, paint run. There's an actual paint run coming down. See that?
Yep.
Paint run is soft right. Look, I'm just looking at the car now and I'm seeing it. The gapping is weird here.
Yeah.
You have like a dent right there. Bro, look at that. How bad that is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do a full walk around video and show Alex this. You can polish it, wet sand it, denib it, but now again, is the dealership gonna pay or is the customer gonna pay? Look at this. Clear coat. It's like rough there.
Yeah.
This is why we always do our pre-inspection. Used or brand new. We have a video of it. We have pictures of the car. Shows exactly what's going on with it before.
And that's why you say you get new cars and you make them look bad.
Yeah, that's what we do. That's exactly what we do, Alex. As you can see, this car flipped over, went into a ditch. Hence all the curtain airbags. It doesn't look like it, but it was on its side. I think this is how.
Oh yeah, you're right.
See? Oh, yeah. There we go. Nope. It'll stay. It might just pop out. Be careful, it might hit you, eh? Someone's hand went through here. We'll say that we had to punch it so we can get out of the car. But that was the consequence of Javier's hand. And then we got this Benz, same thing. I think they were making a left or going straight and someone made a left into them, the wheel broke off.
Yeah.
We do a lot of insurance work. If you guys are ever involved in an accident, whether it's private, whether it's going through your insurance company, we've been doing it for a very long time and we make sure the car is back up to standards. More than standard. You see what we do. We always make it look better than what it probably looked like before the accident, better than what it looked like even before it came to your hands at the delivery in the actual dealership. So hit me up. We take care of you from start to end. If you need anything, right on the scene too, I can try to see if there's any tows in the area. We got you guys covered. Just make sure you call me right away. Doesn't matter what time it is. If it's an accident, we'll make sure I take care of you guys. The driver's side? Yo, that tool is sick, eh? That's pretty crazy. Yeah, that's just from 1 week. I guess it's from my new house is all muddy, right? So it's a rental, but you know, I still take care of my rental. Hey, City, look how I take care of your cars, bro. I even tinted the windows. I tinted, bro. I can't drive a car without no tints. I only tinted the two fronts, but I don't want to go too dark because these guys rent it out and then they'll complain it might be too dark. I don't know. I just tinted the two fronts because there was no tints and I was burning and there was no privacy.
You don't even take care of your cars like that.
Nah, we've been detailing it at least like every 4 or 5 days. Got this pocket rocket over here, 2026 RS3. These things are demolishing Lambos out there. Super dope spec. I love the color. This is the same color as Ochai's car.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, very, very nice spec with the blue stitching on the inside. This is the upgraded LCI because I think they stopped making it for a few years and then they just brought it back. 5-cylinder turbo, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't really done much research on this car, but very, very nice spec. Came in from Audi Queensway. My boy Dion there. We're gonna be, oh, they already finished the kill switch. Kill switch tracking system installed. A lot of insurance companies are making it mandatory for you to have on certain vehicles. So obviously it's a hot commodity right now. And on a car like this, you don't want it to obviously get stolen. You don't want to deal with the insurance headache. So why not protect it? We did that RS6 last week. And then now this is the second one that they sent us. Hopefully we'll be getting a lot more from them.
Do you like the rims on these?
I do. I like it. It's like an old school basket style wheel. The only thing is like a wheel like this usually has a dish.
Yeah.
Right, so maybe that's what's throwing it off, right? But it is different. It's a different style that they went with this year. But yeah, look at how aggressive the diffuser is, the trunk lip spoiler, all the carbon on this car. They definitely made it a lot more beefier and like more aggressive with this model. And I think they're going to be doing this across the board with all the other cars. Because even the RS6 and stuff, I feel like it wasn't as aggressive as this. Even this, like usually it's never this big. It's like a small little strip. You got the carbon on the side. You have the venting coming for your wheels, carbon here. Yeah, if you slap like a really nice lip kit on this thing on the front and the sides, I think you could leave the back. It looks dope. But very, very nice car. Take a look at the interior and stuff. Bro, there's an RS button and then a race flag. Listen to hear the exhaust. There's a bunch of modes in this thing. I think it has launch mode too, if I'm not mistaken. It's all touch. See that?
Oh, really?
This thing definitely has power. You can feel it. Obviously, we can't drive it fast. It's brand new. And you can't. Yeah, and you can't rev past like 3,000, 4,000. They always say, you know, brand new cars, You gotta take it easy. But right now, the platform that everybody's really playing around with are these RS3s and like the M240s, killing it right now. And they're small, light cars, you know? They take big power. Car weighs nothing. It's like going against a car like an M5 that weighs like fucking a whole ton, you know?
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Hey, making too much noise there, buddy.